Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Farazis and you are watching English Minds Hub. Welcome to my channel. Today video is about most common expressions that we use in our daily life. If you want to improve your English, please do subscribe my channel and practice these expressions and words, and also watch my previous videos. Inshallah you got a lot of knowledge about speaking English. So let's start our video. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. मैं बीमार हूँ. I am sick. मैं समझ गया. I got it. नज़र ना लगे. Touch wood. इस बार नहीं. Not this time. I am thirsty. मुझे प्यास लगी है. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. मेरा पेट ख़राब है. My stomach is upset. अपना ध्यान रखना. Take care. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I'm good. क्या तुम्हारा हो गया? Are you done? मेरा हो गया. I'm done. कितना? How much? अगला कौन है? Who's next? चिंता मत करो. परेशान मत हो. Don't worry. तो क्या हुआ? So what? हाल ही में. Recently. सीधा मुद्दे पर आओ. Come to the point. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. छूना नहीं मुझे. Don't touch me. लेकिन क्यों? But why? ठीक है. Alright. जागो. Wake up. उठो. Get up. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. किसी तरह. Somehow. कुछ हद तक. Somewhat. कुछ कहो. Say something. Subscribe my channels and avoid the noise behind. Thank you.